Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Archika from hashtagsandkeywords.com. Hope you guys are doing great, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Gmail account permanently from browser. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so let's take a look at how you can delete your Gmail account permanently. To do so, the first thing you need to do is to go to your settings page quickly. And for those who don't know how to go to settings page on Gmail, you need to log into your Gmail account and look for this little gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. As soon as you'll click on this icon, it will redirect you to settings page. Yeah, so in general, by default, it redirects us to general settings first, but since we are targeting to delete our account, we need to go to accounts and imports. I'm going to click on it here now. Now you need to look for this option, change account settings, and need to click on other Google account settings. I'm going to click on it now. Upon clicking on it, it will then redirect you to a new tab, and the new tab somewhat looks like this. And we need to click on this manage your data and personalization option to delete the account. I'm going to click on it now. On this screen you need to scroll down a little bit, and yeah, here you'll see this option, download, delete, or make a plan for your data. From here, since we are targeting to delete our service account, our account, so I'm going to click on this option over here, and here it gives you 4 options, whether you want to delete just a service, or you want to download a data, make action plan for your account, or you want to delete your account permanently. So since we are targeting to delete our account permanently here, I'm going to click on this delete your account. So before deleting the account, it kind of tries to confirm whether you are sure to want to delete this account and asks you for the password to make sure that the main owner of the account is deleting the account and not someone else. So yeah, here you need to enter your password. This is the test account I created for just to create this video. So yeah, the email account says test delete. So yeah, here I'm gonna put the password here to get it deleted. So once you're done entering your password, click on next. Now it will try to warn you that your account will be deleted and everything else, but if you're sure to delete your account, you can tick these check boxes and acknowledge that yeah, you're responsible for deleting this account. Once you're done ticking these check boxes here, just click on this delete account button over here. I'm gonna hit it right away and let's see what happens. Okay, so the account is now deleted. So yeah, this is how you can delete your account, Google account permanently. If you want to delete your account, go ahead and do it this way.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful and informative. If so, please spread the word by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. For more such informative articles, browse through my blogs on hashtagsandkeywords.com. Have a good day.